What's up, guys? This is Mr. W. Taylor here, and I made a new YouTube channel because I didn't like my name of my old channel, and my new YouTube channel is Online Gamer of the Day, and I'm going to start doing videos about World of Tanks, which is a great game about tanks that like battle, and I'll talk more about it in the videos of that. But I would like you to no longer subscribe to my old account, which was Mr. W.J. Taylor. I'd rather you subscribe to this channel, which I'll make new videos here. Although that old channel, I'm never going to log on again, except for right now to make this video. So, yeah, so please subscribe to this channel, not my old channel. And I hope to make more better videos in the future. So stay cool, guys. Later.